Well, that was a cost I wasn't expecting when budgeting for our remodel we're doing here in Scottsdale, Arizona. My husband and I are remodeling a home right now where we're replacing the flooring, putting in new kitchen cabinets, things like that. And we had a budget in plan because that's what you do before you start. You know what I didn't think of? A dumpster. Where are the contractors going to put the old tile flooring, the old baseboards, and the old carpet? Great question. Well, turns out that when you're doing a remodel, even if it's a small remodel, where it's just including flooring, you're more than likely going to need to rent a dumpster. So for anyone who's getting ready to do a remodel, I thought I'd help you out with your budget. You'll need to budget for, like I said, a dumpster. For us, since it's really only the tile, the bathtub, and the flooring that was there that we need to dispose of, we were able to rent one of the smaller sizes. So all we needed was a 10-yard dumpster, which holds about 1 ton, which is 2,000 pounds, which if you're like me, I was like, what the heck does that mean? Well, it means it will hold approximately 50 to 70 trash bags, or what made the most sense to me, approximately 3 pickupfuls will fit into a 10-yard dumpster. I called around and I quoted several different dumpster rental, and I ended up finding one where I could get the 10-yard dumpster for 5 days, which is all I need. The demo's done. We just need to throw it in there for $378. The max I found was up to $550. But again, I was able to find it for $378. So while it wasn't in my budget, it wasn't completely ridiculous for what it's going to cost. But if you have any other questions about what sort of expenses you should expect when doing a budget for a remodel in the Arizona area, please give me a call. Andrea Lilienfeld with the K Grant Group, part of my home group real estate out of Scottsdale, Arizona.